What's going on, guys? I just woke up, and something I've been doing first thing in the morning is checking my leads. So I'm just documenting what I do in the morning. I'm going to walk through my thought process. I have a virtual assistant who works overnight, and this VA has been finding weird stuff, but good stuff. A lot of stuff from other websites. They used to work for someone in the community. They used to build a leads list for someone. So I am a little bit skeptical about a lot of these, just because in the back of my head, I'm thinking, what if all these were put in a leads list somewhere? But who knows? Anyway, let's dive into it.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential.
So if you look here, this real quick, just to give you guys a quick update. I've been doing a poor job of updating you guys. I'm going to try to update you guys as often as possible on my actual profit and sales. So far I've purchased $103,000 worth of inventory, and I've made $3,000 profit. So that might sound really bad, but that's 11% ROI. That means I spent, out of all the items that sold, it was $25,000. So I spent $25,000 on inventory, and I paid $1,000 for prep for the inventory that sold. I paid $500 for inbound shipping, and I made $3,000 at the end of the day. Now this number is going to go up. I want to get this number closer to 30%. Honestly, probably 20-25%, because a lot of the stuff I'm sourcing is faster moving stuff, as you'll see. But yeah, let's dive into this. So this is weird for me because I have sourced this shoe brand before. I'm looking at the leads. Wow. So there's only one brand this morning, and yeah, this is strange. Okay, so before I go into the Amazon link, I always look at, how much are we buying it for, how much are we selling it for. You can see the cost price is $99, so I can buy these for $99. I can sell them for $182. Sales rank's 32,000, but this could be a giant variation listing. We're picking these up directly from the brand's website, which is usually good, in case Amazon ever questions authenticity. Once I make the decision for one variation, usually that makes the decision for most variations, because there's two different types of shoes here, two different colors, same brand. So I literally woke up like 15 minutes ago. So this is a real deal here. Okay. So this is kind of weird. The number of sellers just drops down, sells out. It sells out, but there's still a buy box, right? No, there's not. Okay, so it sells out. Okay, so that's weird. I've sold this brand before. I haven't got an IP complaint, but there's a chance. I don't know if this brand IPs a lot. A lot of the people who I store stock don't sell this brand, like a lot of the big players in the game. And something I heard recently is you basically, take this with a grain of salt, but you basically, when you see a lot of the same people on the listing, and those people are good Amazon sellers, like they're making bank, then that's a good sign. And I do not see a lot of the same people on this. So I need to see, have I sold this brand successfully in the past? So this is everything I have in stock. This is actually everything I've listed ever by the ASIN. So I have all the ASINs here, so I can actually just search this brand. Okay, so I bought 5 of these in the past. I paid $130 for them. I sold them for $197. So I purchased 5. I sold them for $197 a piece. I've sold 2 total. I still have 3 left in stock. All right, let's see if I sold any more. I'm just making sure that I've sold this brand before because, okay, here's another one. I bought 2. I haven't sold any. That's kind of a red flag. But I also bought these when I didn't know that much about online arbitrage. So there's a chance that I just bought really bad variations of this. Okay. All right. So I'm going to look at the one that I did sell. I'm going to open up this ASIN. I'll just copy this, duplicate this link up here. Okay. So this is a giant variation listing. I actually made 22% ROI because I sold these for $197. But the price is dropping even more, so I'm not going to make that much. This brand as a whole is just inflated. Like, all the prices on Amazon are so high, but I mean, just looking at this Keepa, you'd be like, this is great. But the problem is there's like 100 variations. Like, literally. There's so many variations and so many different sizes. That alone makes me not want to even consider these leads. But let's give it a go. Okay, so looking at the offers tab for this shoe, this person is getting sales each day. He's selling 1, 2, 3, 4. And he's probably selling those for 180-ish, which is profitable. You know, pick it up for 99, sell them for 180. It's not bad. But I mean, this isn't going to get you rich. And that's the goal, right? To get rich. Why am I focusing on these small listings unless I can get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them? But that's a lot of work, you know? I'd rather just get a few ASINs that can pump out 5,000, 10,000 a month each profit. By the way, my friend yesterday, I won't mention who, texted me a lead that made him 13,000 profit last month. And he's sharing it with me. So I'll be taking advantage of that. So really at this point, this is kind of cool. I have this metric here. So all I'm going to do anyway with all these variations is look at the offers tab. So this tells me how many have sold according to the offers tab. And this black shoe does a lot better. So let's open this up. 7.5 looks pretty good. Okay. I hate how it makes you select the size. One more thing, I want to know if these are on sale because it does make a big difference. So these are just the price. It's not a sales price, which is good and bad. I actually think it's more bad than good because more people can get that now. In the past, I was like, oh, this is great. Like, I can get it from a website, no coupons, and I can buy it over and over again. It'll be a replenishable item. But now that I'm doing this, I like it when there's coupon codes that expire because I know that the stock is now limited because now people can't purchase it at any time. So I can pick up 300 and have them in stock. That's my favorite thing. Yesterday I bought like 140 of one item. And I already sold the item at a profit in the past, so I knew it was good. But yeah, let's look at this offers tab. Yeah, so this guy's really jacking up the offers, units sold, and you can tell that these are not real sales. It just goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. However, these are real sales, but it took several months for this guy to sell 20. It took about 2 months. And the whole time he's fighting for those sales. He's repricing down. So this is a price history graph, and this is the sales history. And you can match up sales or stock history, which you can insinuate are sales. They could be facility transfer, things like this too. But whenever you see it slowly going down like this is like 100% sales. Now this is like you're not really sure. This went from 32 to 3 overnight. And from my experience selling on Amazon and looking at myself on this offers tab on Keepa, I have seen where I've actually sold items and it just takes Keepa a few days to catch up. And then all of a sudden it shows, my new stock, which I maybe sold out. Maybe I sold like 30 in a day. So this is a chance that these 38 sales are legit. My gut tells me they're not, though. But this is a pretty fast velocity listing. You know what? Should we risk it for the biscuit? 30% ROI. It's not a whole lot. I would like it if this was a coupon, and let's include historical offers too. I would like it if this was a coupon based, but I mean, in this case, this is what I do. We have all the variations, all the data here. I just look at the key metrics. So I'm going to make a decision for all these right now. Cost price is $99. Buy box is currently $164, which leaves us with $30 profit, which is close to 30% ROI. We do have a 60 and 50% ROI variation here. Yeah, because these are selling for like 190 plus. And this is a very popular size. This is a size 8. So real quick, before I make a decision for all of them, let me open up. Yeah, I'm going to open up this size 8. And if this looks good, I'll test them. Let's look at this. That's the same one. So we're going to offers tab, checking out how many sold the last 30 days. And like none of this is like super exciting. I mean, this guy's sales are legit. He sold a lot back in June, probably for 185-ish. He might have sold a few for 215. Yeah, it looks like he sold some for 195. I don't know. This is just like, this just isn't it. I like waking up to like listings that are selling hundreds, if not thousands a month, and you can verify the sales in the offers tab, but this just isn't it. So, I mean, based on all these metrics here, I can make a decision for each listing. I can look at, I'm just verifying the buy box is good and that also the average buy box is good as well. So in this case, there's 2 variables here that really help me in this spreadsheet. One is the estimated number of sales based on the review count. So if this individual shoe got 50 reviews, but the listing as a whole has 500 reviews, it's going to attribute 10% of the sales. So this estimated sales per month is just going to take 10% of that, and it's going to attribute it to that variation of the shoe based on the review count for that shoe. Knowing that, I can just look through here and I can see, oh, this is going for 40, this is going for 23, 41. Like, this is how many sales on according to that estimate that it's getting, which is an extreme estimate. It's an approximation, but you can also see to the right, according to the offers tab, which is also a very extreme approximation. This is according to the offers tab, that tab that, we all, how many are selling. So again, this isn't going to make me rich. It could be a nice replan. I mean, I might order like a couple of each. I don't know. I need to drink some coffee first. I need to think about this. Not super happy with the leads this morning, but last night, yesterday was good. Actually, I still need to go through a lot from yesterday. Yesterday was just good because, my network reached out and gave me a great lead. That's always good when that happens. I have been finding some really fast moving stuff though. And I'm actually getting cut off by websites for purchasing too much. I found this back to school item on Walmart, and I just purchased I wanted to purchase 500 plus, but I think I ended up maybe with 200 after really pushing my team to use different VPNs, incognito browsers. Walmart usually doesn't cancel like that, but we experienced some pushback. So, and now that item's like double the price, which is good because, well, it's good and it's bad because now I know that I can sell mine at a healthy price, but I can't buy it again. So that's it, and catch you guys in the next video. If you guys like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Peace out, fam.